Hey guys, welcome back. Today's question, can I still use my cockpit if I get a new bike? Yes. Now, the K9 Moto Cockpit is a custom build. We build it out to mount to your specific motorcycle and aftermarket accessories. So if you get a new bike down the line, there is going to be some modification that's needed. Now, if you know what that bike is, or you already have that second bike or third bike, we can build it out up front to mount to multiple bikes. We're just essentially overlaying multiple mounting on one cockpit. If you get a new bike in the future, 2, 3, 4 years down the line, whatever, there's a couple of options in terms of how to proceed. In some cases, we'll build out that mounting for you, some new brackets, whatever's needed. It'll mount to your existing cockpit, and just like it mounted before, now you're going to mount it to the new bike. In fact, sometimes even easier, sometimes even cheaper way to move forward is to take the bike, to take the cockpit to a local mechanic or metal workshop, and when they have both items right there in front of them, we are there to support. We do video calls, we provide guidance. It's a pretty straightforward process in aligning and drilling new holes, building out a few brackets. So it's not a rocket science piece. We've already created the cockpit for you, the beautiful upholstery, the structure, and putting together some additional brackets or drilling a couple of new holes. Pretty straightforward for a local workshop near you to do.